So I have some information for you guys today, and I got all of it off outside source. So I wanted to show you how to use easybib.com, so then that way you can use it within using your own research. So come on with me over here. Here we are. We're on the computer, and I'm on the internet, and all I have to do is type in easybib.com, press enter, and it's going to go there. Okay, so this is what easybib looks like. As soon as there it is. Okay, so here's easybib.com, and I got all of your guys' information. I'm going to go and get where I got your information, because you're going to want to have that, the URL especially. So I got this download. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to copy it. So I can just click on it, and I can either right click copy, or I can highlight it and press Control-C and copy it. Either way works. And I'm going to come back to easybib.com, and I'm going to paste that right here into this where the URL or the website address goes. So I can either hit Control-V to paste it, or I can right click paste it, and it'll go in there. Okay, so I'm going to click cite this. It's going to search for it, and it's going to do some other things for me. This one says that it's not on their network, or it's something that they can auto cite, which is fine, because then I can just do all the information on my own. So I'm going to enter in the web address again. I'm just going to copy and paste that. I'm going to come down here and talk about where it was originally cited, and so this one happens to be just a website, so I can leave it that way. Okay, and then article title, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on Novice LD Curriculum, so I can actually copy that, this is what's really nice about just doing it on the computer right as you go. And then authors I actually have, so if I go over here I can see, I know that the author is here, there it is. I'm going to copy the author, I'm going to put it in the last name here, I'm going to go back and copy, here's his first name, just copy and paste it. So I'm just doing this really fast so that it just goes in. The website title is Resources Forensics Online, that's what it is. Okay, so I'm going to come back here, Forensics Online. The sponsor is the National, and I know this because if I go back here and I scroll all the way down to the bottom, it's going to tell me who sponsors it. Sponsored by the National Forensics League. So I can actually just copy that because it's a heck of a lot faster. So National Forensics League. Here's my URL again, so I can come back here and I can copy my URL and bring it back to easybib. When was this published? Well, let's go back and check. So I'm going to come back over here. Novice Curriculum. I can download it, and I can see when they did it. Here's when it was state 2008. So I just come back here, plug it in. Doesn't give me any other information, just 2008. The date I accessed it was today, so it's going to throw that information in there, and then I'm going to be able to create my citation. Okay, so it's going to give me this information here, and then all I have to do is literally take it, copy it. Again, you can either Control-C or copy it that way. I can then go to my source, which is what I'm going to give you guys today. Come down here to the very bottom, make sure I give you guys that. Make sure that's not what I wanted, so I'm going to go back. I didn't copy. Have you guys ever done that before, where it's like, oh, there's my source, and it doesn't copy? So I'm going to come back here. I'm going to copy it, and then I can come back to here. I'm going to paste it so that all my information is there, and it's really fairly easy. Oop, there we go. So I hope that helped you understand how to use easybib.com.